Hi class, today we have a special lesson on animals and the sounds they make. Are you ready class? Great. Let's start with a popular animal, the cat. Can anyone tell me the sound a cat makes? Meow. That's right. Cats say meow. Now let's move on to dogs. Can anyone tell me the sound a dog makes? Isn't it woof? Excellent. Dogs say woof. Now let's make it more interesting. What about a cow? Moo. Perfect. Cows say moo. Let's try a bird. Who knows the sound a bird makes? Birds say tweet. Well done. Now let's explore some wild animals. What about lion? Mm, lions roar. Fantastic. Now, let's explore the sound of a frog, an elephant, and a monkey. Any guesses?